Hi, it's Orion. Welcome to Meta Ads 101, fueling your profiles. This is what we're going to talk about today and why it's so important. In the previous lesson on Meta Ads 101, we talked about your ecosystem and what it means. And now we're going to fuel your ecosystem before even launching any ads. You need to fuel it. This is a term that I use all the time, especially now with AI. It's extremely relevant, if not even more relevant than ever, because AI relies on data. So when you launch all of those AI campaigns that Facebook are introducing and have been, working on, they work a lot better when you have collected data prior, because then the algorithm has all of this data and research, and they have some metrics and things to go from when you launch your campaign. So not taking advantage of the ecosystem, especially with AI, will be a huge mistake, because again, AI works on data. It works based on data from your profiles, from your ads. So if you're starting it from nothing, you're already putting yourself at a major disadvantage in a really bad position from the start. So first, before launching the ads, we need to fuel our profiles. We need to give AI some data to go from so that they can really boost our ads, even if you're setting campaigns manually, which is what I recommend. It's still AI. AI still plays a major role. So how do you fuel your profile? How do you start giving data to AI before launching your ads? And it's very simple. In order to start really taking advantage of the ecosystem, you need to get some data. So you need to start running two campaigns, two very easy campaigns. One is a following campaign and one is an engagement campaign. For your following campaign, you want to focus on boosting your followers on Instagram and Facebook. Those are two different types of campaigns. You have your followers campaign where you're boosting your following on Instagram, and then you have your likes campaign when you're boosting your following on Facebook. And what that's going to do for you is that it is going to boost your followers, right? Which is what we want. And most importantly, it's going to be really helpful for your retargeting campaign, because we'll have people to retarget. It's going to get you engagement on your posts. It's going to get you engagement on your profile. And it's going to allow AI to already get started and get the machine rolling. And yes, it's obviously great for your brand, because it's going to get you seen. You're going to have some followers, so when people check out your profiles from the ads, they see that you have a following, which help build trust, credibility, and it just will boost your results even faster. So the first one is a following campaign. I recommend having two campaigns. You can start them, so one Instagram, one Facebook campaign. You can start them on a very low budget, such as even like $5 or $10 per day each. It doesn't need to be a big budget for those types of campaigns. And then the second type of campaign that you want to do is what we call an engagement campaign. So I don't ever recommend boosting posts, okay? This is not a boost. I have never recommend boosting posts. The only thing that boosts really give you is maybe views, a couple likes, couple followers, and that's it. Okay, then that's not what we want. We want to set up the campaign in the ads manager, whether it's for a followers campaign or an engagement campaign. We want to set them up in the ads manager, and we want to make sure that we are again collecting data for AI and that we're optimizing our campaigns and we're understanding what's going on. So the engagement campaign, you should have an engagement campaign set up over 4 to 5 ad sets. You actually can target the exact same audience for each ad set, which is a completely different strategy from running any other type of campaigns, but yes, it's an engagement campaign. So you can run the same exact audience on each ad set and have only one post per ad set. So you're going to pick one of your posts on Facebook or Instagram that you're going to boost. And the reason why we're doing this is that, yes, we want to boost these posts, so one different post per ad set. So we'll have a minimum of 4 posts total that we are boosting, as we have a minimum of 4 ad sets that we have in our engagement campaign. And the reason why we want to have a different one is that, first of all, we want to get more engagement, obviously, on a post that we can later on use for our ads. So when you're going to do your ads, you already have actually content with engagement on it, which builds trust and credibility and get people to click. And also mainly we want to test. That's why we're doing it. We're going to do one post per ad set, the same audience. We just go and we're going to push the engagement on each one. And so each one gets a good amount of engagement. And we're going to compare the results one from the next. See which one is working better so that then you can use your best post and your most engaging post into your campaign. Simply by taking the ID out of the post, you can use it in any other campaigns moving forward. You'll get to keep all the engagement, all of the likes and interactions on those posts. So this is extremely valuable. And what that allows us to do, again, is fuel our ecosystem. That allows us to start building our ecosystem again and help AI get a lot of data and prepare for our campaigns and get seen, start building our brand online, obviously get followers and get action, start getting traffic, which is critical. The ecosystem works as a whole. Again, this is not just the ad and then nothing else. The ads work great when they are a part of this entire ecosystem and you are using every single channel properly. You're posting organic content on both Facebook and Instagram. You are running your following and engagement campaign, and you are just being active. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.